Today, we've got some groundbreaking news from the world of artificial intelligence. Anthropic has just unveiled exciting new capabilities for their AI assistant, Claude. So, what's the buzz all about? Claude can now control a computer just like a human. With a new feature called Computer Use, Claude can view screens, move cursors, click buttons, and even type text. This means it can perform tasks ranging from filling out forms to browsing websites, all by interacting directly with the computer interface. Early adopters like Asana, DoorDash, Canva, Replit, and the browser company are already exploring these capabilities, proving its promise with the big companies. Just take a look at this example on its use in automating filling out surveys.
A customer, in this case the Ant Equipment Company, has come to us and asked us to fill out a vendor request form. The data I need to fill out this form is scattered in various places on my computer. What we're going to do is ask Claude to look at the spreadsheet, check if Ant Equipment is in there, and if not, move over to the CRM and try and find some more information there. Once it has this data, Claude's going to then fill out the form for us and hopefully transfer the information across to the vendor form. The first thing that's going to happen is Claude's going to start taking screenshots of my screen and quickly realizes that the Ant Equipment Company isn't actually in the spreadsheet. So the first thing it does is it swaps over to a CRM and searches for the company we're interested in. Luckily, we get a search match, and Claude then starts scrolling through the page, looking for all the information it needs to fill out this form. Claude then autonomously starts transferring the information across without me having to do anything, and goes through the steps and fills out all the information needed.
But that's not all. Anthropic has also upgraded Claude 3.5 Sonnet and introduced a new model called Claude 3.5 Haiku. The upgraded Sonnet model shows significant improvements, especially in coding tasks. It outperforms other models on industry benchmarks like SWE Bench Verified, scoring higher than all publicly available models. The best part? Claude 3.5 Sonnet is available now via Anthropic's API. Claude 3.5 Haiku, a faster and more affordable model designed for real-time applications, is set to be released in full later this month. While the computer use feature is still in its early stages and may have some quirks, Anthropic believes it could revolutionize automation and AI-driven software development. If you'd like to try this software yourself, follow the guide laid out in Anthropic's API installer page. Otherwise, stay tuned for future updates on this technology and its integration into everyday life.